Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. I am back with Yfii daily update. We are going to see the next targets. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So Yfii right here, what did we have? We had another pump in the daily scale around plus 28%, and then we had the huge crash coming in. Now, Yfii went even to the 3.8k, even above the 4k. We couldn't close above this target right here. Remember that we talked about if we close above the 3k, we are going to the 3.6k. We couldn't close above in the daily frame, and this was the end of Yfii. We had a huge crash coming in, and this is why I warned you back here. So you can see that the RSI went even to the 95 now. These coins that are getting this huge price action with having a total of around 90 RSI to 93 above the 90s are in a total danger of crashing. Why is that? Because when we get these high numbers in the RSI, we have multiple chances into seeing a huge crash coming in, and the huge crash will be very, very quick, very sudden, and many people will lose money. This is what happened right here on Yfii. Okay, nothing can go up forever, and Yfii had a very strange price action. It went all the way up high right here, look at that, okay, went all the way up without having a single red candlestick, ignoring the fact that we had the 90 RSI, so I was expecting that this was a bull trap, right? The bull trap of around plus 28% in this day, we had a bull trap and a crash came in. Now for Yfii, it sits at around 1.8k. You remember that we talked about if we are about to crash, we will retest this level right here, the 0.786 Fibonacci. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to draw another fib, this time from the bottom to the top. Okay, so we can see that we are having some important support levels. And the thing that we talked about before is the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement as well, right? From the bottom to the top, it was the 0.5. From the top to the bottom, it was the 0.786. So it is a very, very important support level. Now, this support level will be testing our, if we are actually able to go and have a little bit of a buying pressure, because you can see that Yfii right now isn't in an oversold situation yet in the 4-hour frame as well. In the daily frame, of course, we have much more room to correct. So what I'm expecting about Yfii right here, it is that we are going further down. Now, in the 4-hour frame, we have closed above the 1854. Okay, around there we have closed above. You can see that, right? If we close below in the 4-hour frame, or preferably in the daily frame, we are going to go even further down to the next price target, which is the 1520. Okay, we are going to go down there. Now, the most probable scenario for Yfii is to correct even more. Unfortunately, that is the case. At the end of the day, though, we have to see the weekly frame as well. In the weekly scale, we have a very huge risk with the commodity channel index, but at the same time with the RSI, we didn't face such a huge risk, right? So could this be a normal correction in the weekly scale and we can go even higher? For example, right here, there was a huge correction coming in, but you can see we managed to have a higher high pattern after, and of course we went all the way up higher to the 4Ks. Can we do that again and go even higher, for example, to 5 to 6,000 and so on? Well, in the daily scale, as I told you, I think that we are going to correct more and we will be reaching the 1520. It is very possible for Yfii to go further down to retest the 200 moving average along with this Fibonacci number, the 1145. And why I'm saying that, it is because Yfii had a very huge correction coming in, a very engulfing candlestick pattern right here, minus 32%, followed by another minus 21% until now. I'm expecting more correction for Yfii, especially right now. If there is a minimum chance, a slight chance actually, that we are going to save this price action, this correction, by closing above the 1854. Maybe we see a slight pump around here. okay, where we are right now, but it won't be something significant. Even if we see a pump, let's say that we are seeing a pump towards the 2000s and so on, we are going to follow a lower low, lower high pattern that will take us all the way down to the 1520, okay? So personally for me, what you should be doing right now is to short things out, or if you do not want to take short positions, just stay away from Yfii because we can correct more, okay? And of course, it is in a very huge correction mode right here, okay? After the huge crash that we had of around in 2 days, more than 50% correction, right? If I take this point right here and go all the way down, minus 60% in just 2 days. For now, we are at a minus 56% to 57. This is a huge correction, right? This is a crash we are talking about, and we might be crashing more. Now, if we have a little bit of a pump, it will be due to the fact that we are at the 1854, although I think that Yfii is going to correct more and we are going to go further down. Okay, so be prepared for more correction towards this target right here, towards eventually the 1145. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. You can find the links in the description box and the comment section, Patreon/MinerCrypto, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.